Best homemade sausage rolls for 5 people. This recipe is designed to be easy to follow for a video tutorial and uses high-quality sausage meat for the best flavor. Ingredients, item quantity, approximate notes. Puff pastry, 1 porous 320-gram sheet. Ready-rolled is easiest. Ensure it is fully thawed if frozen. Sausage meat, 400 to 450 grams. Use good quality, high pork content meat or remove the casings from 6 to 8 sausages. Flavor enhancers, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 TSP dried sage, or 1 tbsp fresh, 1 TSP Worcestershire sauce optional, plus salt and pepper. Egg wash, 1 medium egg beaten with 1 teaspoon water or milk, for sealing pastry and creating a golden flaky crust. Topping, optional, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or fennel seeds for garnish and a little crunch. Method for your video tutorial. Prepare the filling. Sauté the onion, optional but recommended. Heat a little oil in a pan and cook the finely chopped onion for about 5 to 8 minutes until soft and translucent. Let it cool completely. This prevents the filling from making the pastry soggy. Mix the filling. In a large bowl, combine the sausage meat, remove from casings if using sausages, the cooled onion, dried sage, Worcestershire sauce if using, and a good amount of salt and pepper. Combine. Use your hands to gently mix all the ingredients until just combined. Don't overmix or the filling can become tough. Chill. Cover the bowl and chill the filling for about 15-30 minutes. This makes it much easier to handle and roll. And 2. Assemble the rolls. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, 180 degrees, fan gas, mark 6. Line a large baking tray with parchment paper. Unroll the puff pastry sheet onto a lightly floured surface or directly onto the parchment paper. Cut the pastry sheet in half lengthwise to create 2 long, even strips. Divide your sausage meat mixture into 2 equal parts. Roll each part into a long uniform log, roughly the same length as your pastry strips. Place 1 meat log down the center of each pastry strip. Brush 1 long edge of the pastry with the egg wash. Fold the dry edge over the meat, then fold the egg-washed edge over the top, creating a tight seam underneath. Press firmly along the seam or crimp with a fork. 3. Cut and bake. Cut the rolls. Turn the 2 long sealed rolls seam side down. Cut each log into the size you prefer. For 5 people, you might cut each strip into 4 large rolls, giving 8 total, or 6 smaller rolls, giving 12 total. Egg wash and finish. Place the individual rolls on your lined baking tray. Generously brush the tops with the remaining egg wash. If using, sprinkle the tops with sesame or poppy seeds. Use a sharp knife to make 2 to 3 small slits in the top of each roll to allow steam to escape. Bake. Bake for 20-30 minutes or until the pastry is puffed up, deeply golden brown and the meat is cooked through, no longer pink and juices run clear. Note: larger rolls will take longer, mini rolls will take less time. Serve. Allow them to cool slightly on a wire rack before serving warm with your favorite dipping sauce. Ketchup, brown sauce or chili jam are great options.